Okay, so I have this coin roll. This is a indigenous, I forget what it is, indigenous military service. Yeah, sorry, Alzheimer's. And you want the packet to send it. As you can see, the condition's quite good. It's not damaged. I don't have a coin roll to put it in, so to make sure that it doesn't get damaged any further, you need a box. Boxes are good. Don't put these in envelopes because they get damaged quite easily. And you've got padding down below, so got some padding. Then I initially wrap it up in this. So this is a packet, bubble wrap. You put it inside and you roll it up. So you roll it up. So the coin roll is inside and the bubble wrap is protecting it. And I've got some residual sticky tape because I like to reuse stuff that I have. Okay, got sticky tape there. So to prevent it from rolling around, I need to sticky tape it. So this is the first layer of protection. So this one sold for 180. So, you know, someone paid good money for this and they don't want that thing getting damaged when it's being posted. So there is that layer. Now you could put it in like that. Yeah, it should be alright. But that should be okay. But also you probably want an extra layer of protection on top. So this paper here stops it from moving around. So before you seal it up, make sure it doesn't move. And it also protects it from damage when, you know, when they just throw it around. So they probably just throw it at the wall or something like that. And then you seal it up. Then you remove any previous registered tracking or whatever. You don't want to get it confused with when you're sending it. Don't worry about the stamps, they can stay on there. All you do is just cover them up. But they are nice stamps. Kelly, Cocos Islands, Australia. Got some more stamps. And that is how you pack an item in a box, just in case you don't know, because a lot of people, they start selling and they don't really know. So maybe in the next video I'll show you how to pack coins into envelopes, because you can send them, but you need to also give them some protection.